Topic 19, common fractions. Now we already did common fractions in topic 12. So today we are just going to extend it a bit. Today we're going to do only add and subtract common fractions. And then in the rest of the chapter, we are going to also learn to add and subtract mixed numbers. So tomorrow when we're all at school, I'm going to explain mixed numbers. And then on other days, we're going to do some more mixed numbers and solve problems that involve fractions. And it's only 4 pages, this topic. Then we'll go to the next one. So today, what we're going to do is add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. Remember when we did fractions in topic 12? We said that if you have a half and you have another half, you have 2 halves, which makes a whole. So whenever the denominator, which is the bottom number, is the same, it is much easier to add or subtract fractions. Later on, we will learn how to add and subtract fractions if the denominators are different. But for now, we're just going to do the basics. And I'm going to do the first example with you. So Peter has an orange. He decides to cut it into fifths. Fifths means 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So when you cut an orange into 5 pieces, you will sit with 5 over 5 at the end of the day. Then he decides to give 2 fifths to his friend. Okay, so he has 5 pieces and now he wants to give 2 away. So we are subtracting 2 fifths that he gives his friends. So this is what he starts with. He has 5 pieces out of 5. Because remember, the denominator, how many pieces did we cut it into? But he has 5 pieces. He gives 2 away. And remember, when we're subtracting denominators with the same denominators, the answer will automatically be the same. So even before you do anything else, automatically put a 5 at the bottom because we're still working with the same fraction. And then 5 minus 2 is 3. So the rest is easy. So you can also look in the book to see how we did it there. Then Shay has 7 out of 8 of his pizza left, okay? For lunch, he eats another 4 out of 8 pieces. So this is easy because everything is over 8. How much does he have left? So he has 7 over 8 pieces. He eats another 4 over 8 pieces. So before you freak out or anything, just put the answer over 8 because we're staying with 8 pieces. The original pizza had 8 pieces. We're only eating fractions. Those 8 pieces were just transformed to something else. He had 7 left, so someone probably ate the other one. I don't know who. And he's eating another 4, and that means 7 minus 4 is 3. He has 3 pieces of his pizza left. Okay, so that's not too bad. We know how to do that now. Then Chapter 19 has got a few exercises. So the first one is exercise 19.1. You will draw a picture that shows a birthday cake. Okay, so that's easy. So we're still getting into fractions. So first draw a picture, but I will help you throughout the period. We will finish all of this in one period. And then here you can draw diagrams. You don't have to do the most complicated diagrams. You can literally just take like blocks like this. This is also efficient for diagrams. So if this is, for example, 8 pieces and I want to color in 1, 2, 3 of the 8 pieces, then that is also a diagram. Okay? Then the last part is do these calculations without drawing a picture and fill in the missing fractions. So that's all you're going to do in the textbook for today. I will also send 2 worksheets that you must copy into your book, or if you are lucky enough to have a printer, you can print it out and paste it in your book. But otherwise, you must just write the date and the title and just copy the words and numbers, and then you will do addition and subtraction with fractions as well. That's it.